Good morning, children. Rank of a matrix. Now we define rank is the order of the highest non-vanishing minor. What do you mean by this word minor? See, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. There are 3 rows and there are 3 columns which I call as a 3 by 3 matrix. Minor means as I hide a row, what I get I can call as a minor. Hide a row, hide a column. So 2, 3, 5, 6 is a minor. Another example, I can hide 3, 6, 9 and 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5 is also a minor. So what do you mean by a minor? See, you are all minors we say. Because your age is below 18, you are submissive to your parents. And that is the reason why we call you all as minors. So minors is something below. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix and I mean minor by hiding a row and a column. See, there is another matrix which I have written. Here also there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Here also I will say the rank will be less than or equal to 3. Rank I denote as row of A. This symbol we call row of A, a Greek letter somewhat like our capital P, which I call as row of A. Row of A is less than or equal to 3. See, look at this example. There is 2, 3, 4, 6. How many rows? 2 rows. And how many columns we say? 2 columns. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Now rank will be less than or equal to 2. Now I have to exactly find out the rank means. Let me proceed like this. Find out the determinant of the given matrix. What is a given matrix? 2, 3, 4, 6. So I will write 2, 3, 4, 6 and you all know how to find out the determinant. Product minus the product. So I will call 12 minus 12 and my answer is 0. Now see, when I find the determinant, my answer is 0 means my rank is definitely not equal to 2 because 2 by 2 determinant gives me the answer 0. Now immediately I will go to a minor of it. What do you mean by a minor? By hiding a row and hiding a column. So as I hide a row and hide a column, I get 6. 6 is not equal to 0. It is a single element. The meaning of a single element is 1 row, 1 column. So I will immediately write rank of A is equal to 1. Supposing I get a number, say 8. Now what is the determinant value? Here also 2 rows and 2 columns. What is the determinant value? 2 8s are 16. So here I get 8. 2 8s are 16 minus 12. My answer is 4. 4 is not equal to 0 means I will declare the rank is 2 because 2 by 2 determinant is not equal to 0. So, can I have more than 2? No, because the given matrix is having only 2 rows and 2 columns. So, maximum, my determinant order will be only 2. So, second order determinant not equal to 0. Immediately, I will write rank is equal to 2. Supposing second order determinant is 0, I will proceed on to hiding a row and hiding a column, getting a minor. Is the idea clear? Now, coming back to third order matrices. So here we have a number 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. As soon as I see this problem, I will immediately say the rank is definitely not 3 because it is a shortcut method saying first row and second row and third row are proportional. See, this is 1, 2, 3. Multiply all this by 2. I get 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Similarly, the third row, 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So as I get the rows are proportional. If I find out the determinant, my answer is immediately 0. See, we write 1 2 3, 2 4 6 and 3 6 9 because the rows are proportional. First row and second row and third row are proportional. R1 proportional to R2 proportional to R3. I will immediately write the answer is 0. whenever the determinant, this is a property in determinant which we had learnt in 11th standard. So whenever the determinant is 0, I will immediately go on to the minor. What do you mean by the word minor? By hiding a row and hiding a column. Even if I hide a row and hide a column, now also I get 4 9s are 36 minus 36, 0. Supposing I hide this row and this column, now also 12 minus 12 is 0. Supposing I hide first row and second column, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So here I will write all the second order minors are also 0. All the second order minors are also 0 means I will immediately go on to first order. So that is, as I do hiding a row and a column, the second order matrices also the determinant value is 0. So now I will declare rank is equal to 1. See, whenever I see the rows to be proportional, I can immediately say the rank is 1. Third example, we have a problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Supposing I expand the determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ordinary method, we expand the determinant. See, we remember we put the symbol plus, minus, plus. As we expand the determinant, we get 1 into, minus 2 into, 3 into. And as I expand, my answer is 0. See, third order, I found out the expansion of the determinant which reduces to 0 means rank of A is not equal to 3. Instead, I will immediately write rank of A is less than 3 because the rank definition says order of the highest non-vanishing minor. Here, my determinant value is 0. That is, it is vanishing. I must arrive at a determinant wherein my answer is non-vanishing. Non-vanishing means not equal to 0. So here my answer is 0. I declare row of A less than 3. Now proceeding on to the minors. What do you mean by minors? Hide a row, hide a column. See, I am hiding third row and third column. What I am left with? 1, 2, 4, 5. So let me proceed with a minor. 1, 2, 4, 5. What is my answer? Product minus product. Say 5 minus 8, that is not equal to 0. Immediately I can declare rank is equal to 2 because second order determinant is not equal to 0. So the rank is equal to 2. Exercise 1.2, first one, third subsection. Here we are given a matrix wherein there are 2 rows and 4 columns. So we write the order as 2 by 4. What would be the rank of this matrix? Supposing I call this as A matrix. The rank of A will be, can it be 4? What do you mean by the rank? Non-vanishing minor. I have to get 4 rows and 4 columns means I can decide the rank may be 4. But here what is the rank? The order is only 2 by 4. Minimum number is 2 means rank will be less than or equal to 2. Because when the minimum number is 2, I can write only 2 by 2 rows and columns. So 2 by 2 matrices are less than that only I can write. So what would be the rank of it? Row of A is less than or equal to 2. Now find any 2 by 2 minor. What do you mean by minor? So we call writing 2 by 2 minor of A. So 2 by 2 minor of A means I can select first column and second column, or second column and third column, or third column and fourth column. So any combination you can get 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 or 1 and 4 like that. I am choosing the last 2 columns because the numbers are little different, so which will yield the answer immediately. So minus 1, 0, and here I have minus 3, 1. So I am writing minus 1, 0, minus 3, 1. What is my answer? Product minus product. say minus 1 plus 0. My answer is not equal to 0. I can immediately say row of A is equal to 2. Even if one determinant is not equal to 0, I can immediately call the rank is equal to 2. Supposing I get the first and second column, my answer becomes 0. Second and third column also, my answer is becoming 0. But I am not bothered about these zeros. At least one determinant, 2 by 2 determinant is not equal to 0. I can immediately declare the rank to be 2. Now first problem, the last section in this, we have a matrix A given as 3 rows and 4 columns. So how many rows? 3 rows and how many columns? 4. What will I say immediately? Rank of A will be less than or equal to. What will you write? 3 or 4? The minimum number. So rank of A less than or equal to 3. When I say rank of A is less than or equal to 3, choose any 3 rows and 3 columns from the matrix A, which I will call 3 by 3 minor of A. See, I am writing what is a 3 by 3 minor of A. What do you mean by minor? I am hiding a particular row or column. I will immediately call it as a minor. Now I need 3 by 3 minor. So looking at this matrix, let me select. You can check second column and third column wherein you have some proportional numbers that may lead to 0. Maximum I want to arrive at an answer which is not 0. So select first, second and third column. Not third column, fourth column. So first, second and fourth column. So choose the columns 0, 0, 8. Second column 1, 2, 1. And fourth column say 1, 3, 2. Expanding the determinant. See, whenever I expand, where there are more zeros, go with that. First column contains more zeros. The symbols will be plus, minus, plus. 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, which you can ignore. The last one I have 8 into. Where is 8 coming? Third row, first column. So I am left with 1, 1, 2, 3. So write 1, 1, 2, 3. Expand this. 8 into 3 minus 2. So I am not bothered about the answer. I need to know only whether it is 0 or not. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 8 is not equal to 0. See, I started with a 3 by 3 minor of A and my answer is not 0. I will immediately declare row of A equal to 3. I am not bothered about the remaining rows, columns and all. At least one third order minor which doesn't become 0. I can immediately declare row of A equal to 3. Thank you.